Assalamualaikum KG2 class. Hope so you all are fine. Today our topic is words and opposite. So first of all of you take your pencil and complete this task with me. Okay students, let's start. The first word is happy. How you feel happy? Like this. Its opposite word is sad. How you feel sad? Like this. The next word is small. Is the picture of small tortoise. Its opposite word is big. Is the pic of big giraffe. The third word is short. Is the picture of short boy. Its opposite word is tall. Is the picture of tall boy. The next word is old. Is the picture of old lady. Its opposite word is young. Is the picture of young girl. The next word is thin. Is the picture of thin girl. Its opposite word is fat. Is the picture of fat girl. The last word is huge. Is the picture of huge duck. Its opposite word is tiny. Is the picture of tiny duck.